Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Miller's Language School. Do you like learning English? Let's learn English together.
In this video, Basic English for Beginners. Order of words in a sentence.
Standard word order.
A sentence's standard word order is
Subject plus verb plus object, SVO.
Remember, the subject is what a sentence is about, so it comes first.
For example, you have a nice car. I go to school by bus. My father is a good doctor. Mary is not a manager.
Questions. Word order in an interrogative sentence.
Auxiliary verb, modal auxiliary, plus subject, plus verb, ASV. Auxiliary verbs and modal auxiliaries share meaning or function. Many verbs are forms of the verb, to be.
Auxiliary verbs can change their form, but modal auxiliaries don't. Interrogative sentences with the verb to be. Let's compare.
For example,
He is a student.
is he a student?
She is a teacher.
Is she a teacher?
You are at home.
Are you at home?
I am glad to see you.
Am I glad to see you?
Auxiliary verbs can change their form, but modal auxiliaries don't. Here's a chart to help you. Let's compare.
For example,
He can cook.
can he cook?
Your dog likes popcorn.
Does your dog like popcorn? Questions forms.
1. The form ASV. Auxiliary. Plus subject. Plus verb.
For example,
Can he cook?
1. The form ASVO, auxiliary, plus subject, plus verb, plus object.
For example,
Does your dog like popcorn?
interrogative sentences, examples.
Do you speak English?
Will she go to the cinema?
Where do you live?
What is your name?
Are you not ill?
I am not ill.
Where are you now?
I am at home.
Are you not late for school?
We are not late for school.
Is she 20 years old?
Yes, she is 20 years old.
What is his name?
His name is Bob.
Where is your house located?
My house is located in New York.
Is Mark afraid of dogs?
Mark is not afraid of dogs.
Is Joan very busy now?
Joan is very busy now.
Are you sorry about it?
Yes, I am so sorry about it.
Are you not surprised at all?
I am not surprised at all.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.